How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. See that my wife, they distract me. I'm not married. Do you have any wife for me? Kashmir Valentine's. How not there? I hope you guys are doing well. I've been busy. Like, I forgot that I said I'm gonna come on live by 9:30, you know. So I'm kind of late, but nevertheless, we can still achieve something. So how not there? I hope you guys are doing great. Kashmir Valentine, and I back with you. And I back with you. I'm up on me here. Share this video once you join me. Just share this live once you join me. I hope my new office is okay for my videos. You know, I kind of changed the background, like I repositioned from where I normally do my video from, you know. So I hope my new position is okay, you know. So Chinedu Emmanuel, happy weekend, bro. And also tell me where you are watching me from once you join me. Where are you watching me from? Where are you watching me from? And also, I hope you guys can hear me. I hope you guys can hear me. Rosarine or Razurike, I see you. Happy Sunday to you. I hope you are doing great. Tell me where you are watching me from. Tell me where you are watching me from. I want to know where you are watching me from. And also share this video. Share this video once you join me. Share this video once you join me. Okay, from Lagos. How is Lagos people? How is Lagos people? From Mathias Ezeaku, my village. Queen Njideka. That means from Nsoka now. I'm watching from Lagos State. My Lagos people, have missed you guys. Can you guys hear me clearly? I mean, my television is disturbing. Can you guys hear my voice clearly? You need to be audible, bro. Okay, that means I need to lower my television. Is it okay now? So can you guys hear me now? Is my audio much better now? Uche Ozo Emenam. Ozo Emenam is my brother's name, my elder brother's name. Uche, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Queen Njideka, Okay. You're watching from Lagos. I thought you said Matthias Village. Esther, Teddy. I'm doing good. What about you? Where are you watching me from? Okay, my voice is okay. All right. I hope you guys have shared the live, and always do well to write a review on my page, like your recommendation. You recommend my page. Once you click my page, you will see review. Where Facebook wrote review, you tap there, you see what other people reviewed about my page. You can add yours. It helps to keep the page going. So I appeal to you guys to always recommend my page. Make sure you write something good over there. Okay, Rosaline Omo Orazurike. Okay, so now I don't want this life to be too long because I want to go out. Yeah, I want to go out, so I would kind of rush it. Just maximum of or minimum of 30 minutes live video, then I'm off. These days you are always busy, and time zone is always the problem from doing all this Facebook blogging, especially trying to meet up with friends over there in Nigeria. And we started from Nigeria. We have more of our Nigeria fan base, though I have a lot of people recently from Africa, Canada here, US, Italy. I was going through my followers. I noticed that a lot of people from different nations started following me recently. So, but I have more fan base over there in Nigeria, so I always try to meet up with the trends. It's not easy to do sometimes. Yeah, some of you would kind of always complain or think that I'm always late in terms of dropping a kind of update or anything, but man, I'm trying. It's not easy. It's not easy. The different time zone, the hours, we are at the back and Nigeria is in front with a lot of hours. So sometimes it's always hard to meet up. I saw someone complaining that I'm always really late on, making a kind of trendy post. But some of you will not understand. I'm really trying. It's not easy. But having said that, I just want to discuss about Mathias. It's been a long time I came on live, I think. Don't mind my face. I know that I look a bit down, but it's just stress. Mentally, I'm not that strong. Mental stress, they wipe me 2 by 2. So, but let's talk about Mathias. Before I talk about his arrest and everything, first thing first is that the main problem Mathias have is his followers. Thank you, Rosalind Orazurike. Thank you. With the shine, cut soap for me. Where you see the shining, I'm talking about me being too stressed. You're talking about shining. Thanks for that anyways, Esther. So the main problem I have Mathias, the great Anene from Nsukka, like I always call him, one of his major problem is his followers or his supporters. Call them whatever. They are the main architect of his problem. In the sense that they always failed to tell him the truth. They always fail to call him to order. More especially whenever he's going out of track. Yeah, sometimes social media can be fun, You know, we always come here to do our thing, post, talk about some certain things, throw some jabs, laugh, do things. But sometimes you don't overdo it. More especially whenever you see that this person you are supporting is overdoing it now, is going out of track. Especially once it has to do with character assassination. You try to call the person to order. You know, you try to call him to order. So the major problem Mathias had from day one is his followers, his supporters. You see all those ones that also have their own pages that would always come out to support whatever he does, even when he's character assassination, a kind of personality, you know, doing some certain things, mocking people, like ridiculing people anyhow. You will never see them to come out to tell him, Omo, you don't overdo this one no follow again. Instead, they will be gingering him to carry on, that they are at his back. Nothing they happen, they won't do you anything. If they touch you, 1 million men will gather. If they touch you, or baraba everywhere, carry on, do this, do that. Ya bụ nwambeku ana-aza, ona-atoya, ona-emezi, ona-eme anyhow, ona-apịasasizi everything. Ebudo nwanne, I see you, my brother. How you doing now? I'm doing great. Good afternoon from here. Ezigbo mmadụ. You know, people like Waja, Eji, a lot of them, let me not be mentioning their names here, but they know themselves. These people are the major problem Mathias have. The first time Mathias went to Abuja, when Ako arrested him, took him to Abuja, State CID came to pick him up. I was still around. I think that was 3 years ago, if I'm not mistaken. I was still around then. Mathias did a lot. And even when he was kind of messing things around, I don't want to go deep into that side. Some of us will always try to call him to order, to always say some certain thing, to counter whatever he's doing then, he was doing then, rather. But you see these people that I mentioned, those his supporters, they will kind of be gingering him to carry on. They won't do you anything. This one, that one. Oh, Jide Evangelist Ezeaku be there. Now attack a crackers biscuit with his own ministry. He'll be busy doing, like, I could remember when I was still in Asaba Delta State, I was filming during that period. I think I was filming at Ugumu, Sudan. I got back to my hotel room and tried to check what's happening on Facebook then. I logged in and I saw Mathias with on his page. He posted one guy that I will be kind of missing this thing because you know say Facebook now. Once you don't talk anyhow, grab all the way, so will strike here your page. So he posted one guy by, I think I must more they call cancer or something. I must be able the guy then. But that guy I've once gave testimony in Zion ministry. This the same guy posted that guy with his obituary post with some certain things and was lamenting na non-Zion budia. Like boldly like you seriously, us with all seriousness making those statements. And instead of these people, his supporters, to call him to order, they are there gingering him. Yes, I think that was one of the case. Like, it's one of the things I document anyway, petition wire anyway. Abuja then, I was fully aware of those whole processes. All those processes, even when Stacey ID from Abuja came to Anambra, when they are tracking him, I am fully aware. Abuja then. Keburuya no Abuja, those people na dey ginger, all of them disappeared. Onwezi donye nke Jeru DJ, ka ọma ihe a na-akọ na Abuja, ka ọma ru case or whatever. So si ha ncho no chala page ha na-ekwu, where is Mathias? Where is Mathias? Where is Mathias? The same thing I saw most of them now ranting on their pages. Where is Mathias? Where is Mathias? Instead of them to go to Abuja to know his offense and to know how to, you know, bear him out. These people are the major problem, Mathias. Because I believe that Auna Mathias was a good advisor. The way he used to do his thing shouldn't be the way he's doing it now. By trying to mess the whole Christian beliefs, mess everywhere up, mock people. All they do is go down. Before calling Jesus Christ, accident or by a camel, and he some certain things. Those people, the educated that should call him to order, will be there gingering him. I carry on no name of man. You know, that was what happened then. JCA the Abuja. Some of you that has been active on my page or that follow that particular issue then know the whole story. I don't want to dwell so much about it because I'm working with time. We've been to original. Then talking about this current arrest, Sapita from Umoji, the petition Abiaburia. When this whole thing started, some people always say business is business, but the fact that business is business doesn't make you to be stupid or make you not to reason with your common sense. This guy went to Imo State after Kome Oje business a plot of land they were to close to ₦1 billion. Oje wuru 5 million naira committee based on onye ma ihe ji ego eme na onye uru ahịa committee the money. Enyegi time. They actually gave him time. Ogo yeru ka okuzu ogo kwesiri ekuzu. We wuru na were ono into the estate. He meet her up with time. He meet you up with time enyegi ki je kwuo the remaining fund phone. Maybe onye ona maka bide. Especially ndị na-eme business mana own a bide in terms of ime business na ọ dịghị easy. You know, ime business na buy na adịghị easy. I saw one message now. Home TV, I see you, my brother. Alpha, I hope you are doing great. Donadis, I also see you. Oluchi Aguisi. Aguisi. I don't know if I don't murder this name. Oluchi, you know yourself, the one I want to pronounce. I see you. I hope you had a nice Sunday. So unfortunately for him, maybe because of the current situation back home, when the federal government of Nigeria has vowed to deal with their citizens by making life to be very difficult to them, by increasing the hardship every time, like back to back, APC government. Maybe due to the current situation back home, he couldn't meet up with the time agreed for him to balance the money. Now, owe chozienu ko si na ko mezieni ya business ndị Ọnịcha ndị Igbo ka ị na-awapere ana wee na-ere, then ị na-erezi ka ị na-abalansị ndị ahụ ego ị na-erezi. Ọ dị ọnọdụ ka onye je buru ngwaahịa, ị chọrọ iburu ngwaahịa na-asị gị na ihe ga-akwụ na ngwaahịa 20,000 naira, ịkwụọ 20,000 naira, ebi gị full load container, ijizie nwa jiri aka gị na-ere. Isi ndị ahụ oke n'ihe iji kịta 5 million, I mentioned 20 million, right? Isi ndị a n'ihe iji kịta 5 million, ihe mere na ị ga-enye ha 5 million, then by next month iwetezie 15 million fọrọ afọ ka ha bi tọpụzie, ka ha bizie gị dị ngwaahịa. Ndị a sị gị oke wee nara gị 5 million naira, wee sị gị na-enye gị from now till next week or from now till next 2 weeks ka iwetekwo the remaining 15 million naira fọrọ afọ ka i wee buruzie the whole container ngwaahịa jee rezie. Unu ekwete, gị wee kwete na ị ga-ewetekwe the remaining 15 million in the next 2 weeks. Then unfortunately for you, rezie that next 2 weeks, due to one or two things around you, you meet yours up, ị ga-adị gị n'aka. Kama ihe agbazi ndị okenekwu ihe mee nne ka ị ka esi wee mee this thing, meet you up with the 20 million naira. Ihe na-achọzi ka ndị ahụ hapụ gị ka ije mmaigodo aka na ngwaahịa ahụ na-erezi, ị na-erezi dị ngwaahịa, irepụta 15 million naira inye ha. Meanwhile, you know, a lot of people know how like not ready equal 30 million safe. More than that price in that nyegi, he brought the whole container where Jere. I just use this as a case study. This whole story. That is the whole story that surround all these things. You know, onye wonyuru ahịa ma ihe eji ego eme. Or chosie ko like be selling those things, so still represent the 15 million. Ko ezie ndị ahụ mezie 20 million when initial this thing where they refused. Kadioku ekwohoga na his own own side. Or request was here Kenya 5 million naira. A committee where the thing is that this guy has sense. This guy don't have sense. Everybody knows that anything landed property. Like, I don't know what to use to qualify it. The more chinefo, the more kadiana add the value. Especially another aside, another buzoga. So now, this guy has used 5 million to hold that property for a very long time. And after everything, this didn't go the way he expected, to maybe where he was expecting to raise money or to see that money to complete the remaining balance. You are now demanding the 5 million naira, forgetting that other people have been coming for that same property. And due to that, they have already promised or have an agreement with you. They refuse those people, hoping that you are still the right man. Now, after the thing didn't work out, and you're demanding the 5 million, forgetting that a lot of people, they have turned a lot of people down because of you. Obuno onye maihe, ojiwa osoku amicably. Kamaka is settled here. Also, they own the whole 5 million naira pota, ngwa half for potan or anyhow. The next thing, obunye camera phone, ya budget at the plot of land. No video. Ne timpu. Ne trash. You know that they are good at giving empty threats. Indi Ujuonu Nigeria Limited. That's what I call them. All of a lot of them on Facebook. Indi Ujuonu Nigeria Limited. Ona ha eze mana webaro pusha netu ya ozi Igbo ndụ na-asịa na-akpọ ya maazi ị na-ekwu eziokwu na-esogharị ya n'azụ dịte na-abaghị isi ofiri edo onwe ihe ọwụ n'ala Igbo. He now went there with camera and be shouting, accusing the whole Moji community as a whole. Nahabo Haji Meyanka, Haji Tai, Haji, a lot of you saw that video where he posted it. I believe he have already removed that video from his page, because that was the instruction being given to him there by those people, and also tender a public apology and say the way everything happened. You know, he was there ranting, accusing Sir Peter that he paid millions. He paid millions of naira. After paying millions of naira, they don't want to release the property. They don't want to give him his money. They want to do this one. They want to, and even threatening that if he ever see anybody coming to that land or coming to purchase that land, that he will use police, he will use SARS, he will use this one to deal with those persons, and nobody should ever cross to that property. That the property no noku. Like, he's not trying to chase potential buyers that will come to purchase those plot of land. Like, you are trying to spoil someone else's business because the person didn't allow you to rear your job. You know, because now those people didn't allow him, Sir Peter and co did not allow him to do the business the way he wanted to by meanwhile, you didn't meet up with the first agreement. Because of that, he wants to mess that business up to chase potential buyers away. Onye gafu ana ede for sale. Eruechi ofu this land is not for sale. GJTCD. I was born and raised in Onitsha, Anambra State. I want that to be precise. We know how those things work over there, especially when it comes to do with landed property. Anejido fuana. Racia like 5 people, especially in Dobusi. Especially in Dobusi. Agejido fuana. Racia like 5 people. Ngwaje buwezie no munu. Gawano ko tono ya nenu. A lot of landed property over there in Onitsha, or let me just be generalizing it, Anambra State. Not even Anambra. Many places. They are still going through court case, like, because of all. Some people are thinking they go safe. Now, can you go there and one word to go to happen and one safe? Una kaga nugidia. Oh, ye kazi power. Can one kama ma the wage you can the major document we had in a way. So what this guy did, this is the more reason why they want him to come online to say exactly what happened and debunk the first video making. So that, one, the man's name will be cleared and any potential buyers or these people not into real estate can come in and do their business. But Anene refused. No one if name. Then the reason why I blamed his supporters, his followers, all those ones that always ginger him, nothing they happen. Mazine, Kwezo, Kwibonezo, Kwaikogenazo, Hametuga, Kobara, everywhere. What did they do then? Most of you that are following them can attest to the fact that a lot of them were on their pages ranting. Business is business. Even though he committed 5,000 naira, his business, this one, that one. Don't mind them, don't mind them, he's right, you know, they're kind of gingering him. The same person kiwefu na this guy ezigbo ekperi mojo, you now want to post the amount of money you deposited, you now blot the figure. Uchieba had the 5 million naira and was shouting. It's like, hey, Budon, want to join me? And was shouting, hey, Budon, I will bring you later. Okay? I will bring you later. Just not stand by. Hey, Budon, not stand by. Once I round up, I will bring you. It is your nukwa. You can send me a request. Ane jinjia. Ndị otu aja you know, ihe o mere dị mma, carry on, do this one, or the video. You know, say most of them na dị na 40 years, maybe second Tinubu, that not the untouchable na Igbo land, or not the important, or not the important in Igbo land, thinking that n'ihe onu made the right. Now onweghị onye ga stop onwe ya n'ụzọ wuru 2 by 2 piawa isi moment no je mess ya up. Honey ginger, carry on, do this, do that. They ain't gonna do you nothing. They ain't gonna do you nothing. Instead of them to call him and say, what happened now? So what did I see? Exactly happened. Exactly what they did during the time of Akuzion. Nobody called him to order. They were kind of gingering him before he picked him up to Abuja, messed him up. If not for Evangelist Ezeaku, Banga, because evidence of character assassination and other things on a petition against him, and Ezeaku was very, very prepared then. 8 lawyers with Sam. Akuzayonji. Also not choke to ya like ekpuchie ya ka tufuo the key. Then Evangelist Ezeaku na yo na barakoli pia. You know, I don't want to go back to what happened then. But the same people was gingering him there, not the right, no way, this one, that one. The same people gingering him now. The same people gingering him all this while, the whole Christian community accused of, you know, humiliating them, only call for rubbish. And now, Abagomodiana Ajekbochi. Oboro now the right no G 5 million naira committee and award to almost 1 billion naira. Kedi he wuji weji there. Now you can see not any of them now to go there or do anything. See them. You know, so this is exactly what took him to Abuja. And I saw a lot of people saying that he will come out today, he will come out this. No, he's not going to come out anytime soon, except that he agreed to do what they want him to do. Or maybe they kind of dialogue within themselves to know a better way to solve it. All of us know the fact that as far as back home Nigeria is concerned, as a young boy, as a young person, you should always try to avoid you getting arrested on weekend, Friday. When you all now make a arrest on Friday, the rest assured nigga Friday, nigga Saturday, nigga Sunday, or from Mondays came with the like a kind of Kamari Hanako about you. By our home is locked. It's not like here, where both Saturday and Sunday, from offices, not all is working, like they are open doing their thing. Even banks, weekend na arụ here. But back home, after that Friday, you are a goner. Just like a very dark man. There is no way they will attend to him on weekend. You must sleep there till the beginning of the week. And that is the reason why onye ọbụla chọrọ imesi gị ike, onye ọbụla wụ onye obi akpọ chọrọ ime gị ihe menyu oge anya, depending on ihe gị na ya ji ọchọ imesi gị ike, ọ ya abịa mee gị rest on Friday. Because if you like, be whoever, once neighbor go in that Friday, you can never come out till Monday, from Monday, counting. So the thing is that you people, Mathias supporters, need to help him. It's not as if I'm trying to speak about him the other way. Oh, the opportunity to go to school, But sometimes, even though you are not educated enough to know how those things work, friends around you or people around you would always try to put you through. So all these people, they a bit educated, not see around him, I always expect them to, put him through. Maybe the thing is not connecting. Maybe you go out from the life and come back again. The thing is not, I'm trying to bring you, but the thing is not working. So you will keep one at the life in Achikwa's and send me the request. And if any other person want to join me, you can send me a request so that I will bring you on camera. So what am I trying to say? What am I trying to say? Those of you say should help him to stop getting involved. We will remove federal barrier in trouble, in deep trouble like this. I could remember during that same time of Zion ministry, I could try to, like he was busy assassinating Evangelist Ezeaku and Zion ministry. I could remember sometimes when I would come on live to educate them that this, you are not doing character assassination. This one is no longer creating of content, making of content, or trying to speak because you have the avenue, you have the audience that will listen to you. Know when you are going against the law. Matter of fact, some of you don't even know our constitution. It's not as if I'm perfect on it, but at least I knew a lot about our constitution and law. About human rights that govern the whole world. Law is law. About human rights and everything, So I used to tell them then that sometimes if you want to make a statement, know how you make it. Know how you are making your statement. TikTok people, I see you. When I go, don't say this one, I did live on TikTok. I greet you. I go say this one I did on live on TikTok today. What did they happen? No, I'm not a TikTok person. I'm not a TikTok person, so I just force myself to be doing it. I always see TikTok as women something. So I greet you all. I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you guys are doing great. Egwelo Chukwu, I see you. John Nzuko Jonah Ifechukwu, I also see you. Aldo Chukwu Ongu Ebuchilam, I see you. Hello, how far now? How you doing? It's been a long time. TikTok people, I see you. I see you. Struggling to see your this thing. And now I'm not always active on TikTok. I log on TikTok once in a while. So I'm more active on Facebook because I have a lot doing. So very soon I will be very active to control all my socials, but at this moment I'm kind of busy with a lot. I study, I work, I do content, I do business, I do a lot. I do a lot, sometimes. In fact, I'm not sure if I used to sleep up to 5 hours. I remember the last time I have normal sleeping time up to 5, 6 hours. It's always 4 hour plus, 4 hour plus. So I see you. Oh, Chioma Chukwuemeka from Facebook now. I see you. Chioma, where are you watching me from? Tell me where you are watching me from. TikTok people. My Facebook page is Subma TV Productions. Still this thing. Igbo. Mathias should pray so that other people doesn't bring petition against him like Udene. If there is any other people he offended, they should do their thing. But the main reason why I'm doing this video is to tell his followers, his supporters, to always know when to tell him to stop. They should know when to tell him to stop. Everything is not shouting like a thief. Jesus Christ has done this one to you. Ndioka has done this one to you. When you even talk about this whole thing surrounding this their preaching self, it's not even making any sense to me, because belief has nothing to do with your personal life, personal development, or whatever. My brain is not stable now to be saying some certain things, because I've been going through some readings and other things. This is more reason why them, like the reason why I said all those they are preaching religious this na go ka na aga nka meghe nke emeho iburu onye yiri di eme nka onwe ihe unu bụ aneme. Them that has gone back to that their heavenly, okay, they don't believe in heaven or hell or whatever. They has gone back to their root. How far has they gone? If it's all about religious, if it's all about when you stop going to church, or when you believe in Arobunego and Amadioha and Otuona Abiotuo Baji, them that has gone back to that root, everywhere. It's not okay, whatever is the problem. So sometimes when I watch this their preaching, it makes no sense to me. It makes no sense sense to me. Joseph Igozie Oje, I see you, my brother. Happy Sunday to you. And where are you watching me from? Part G Trending Collection. I see you, my brother. I greet you too. Happy Sunday to you. And where are you watching me from? Don Toga Tobechukwu Igwe Kezi. He might even be there, same opposition against him because he talks anyhow like parrot. So he talks anyhow like parrot. My TikTok people, I hello. You guys will say this one I'm on live. I think since this year. I've been since last year. This is my first time of coming live from TikTok, right? Yeah. My first time of being here. Like I just wanna Canada handkerchief. This guy name be this. Canada handkerchief. Nemesis has finally caught up with him. The guy need to be dealt with in a way. So you're watching from Lagos, Nigeria. Okay, Lagos people, I greet you. So I think this is all I have for today. We'll still make out time to always come on live, especially on TikTok. See, as TikTok people just so that I'll always interact more with my followers, give a kind of update, and I would have spent more time on live, but I'm going to somewhere. I need to get going. I need to go. Or more sun too much. Sun is fucking much. So I need to get going now. Okay. See you guys. Miss Favor, afternoon from here. How you doing? Miss Favor, I greet you. Miss Favor, I greet you. I hope you are doing great. Tell me which VDM. VDM issue is different from Mathias. Nande Wachukwu Ekperima. Nande, send me friend request. Come and defend your papa. I mean, send me request to bring me on camera. Let me bring you. Come and defend your papa. Why are you guys not telling Mathias the truth? Accept your request. Come and tell us why you guys will always see when Mathias is overdoing it. But still, instead of you guys to call him to order, you will be there shouting, Mazi, carry on, Mazi, carry on.
Or what?
Mba, all your village people can know. Omenala bụ ụzọ eziokwu ndị arọbụna ego niile a na-enyechi unu ngozi na blessing. Igbo dị ọkụ n'ụlọ. Achọghị m ọkụ. Tinye ọkụ. Tinye ọkụ na ị nwere ọkụ na inwe ọkụ tinye ọkụ.
Ọkụ kịta dị elu na akụkụ ya.
Ọ na inwe ọkụ nwee kandụl ma mpanaka, oke mpanaka ka unyi na-eyuzu na. Nwee mpanaka. My question is, why are you guys not always telling that GO the truth, especially when he's overdoing it? Why are you in your hype? Push kwagidia kwakpu ya n'ime unu ncha na azụ wuri after CJ Abuja oje.
Business which we don't even know the details. He was even bold enough to advertise the money on the internet to show that he wouldn't have gone to that extent of advertising how much he paid to the person.
He never said how much he paid.
He never said it is actually, but he said
never said it. He said millions.
One, excuse me, 2 million, not millions. Millions, not rural, all English kind of thing. Mother again get 2 million. He gave you millions.
My brother, if your Daddy G want to be fair enough and a straightforward person, he would have put on exactly amount he paid there. He posted the receipt and cleaned the figure. What does that tell you?
Anyway, sometimes you may not want to advertise details online, but for
you say the whole details was there. Is he only cleaned only the figure? The whole details was there.
Again. For him to be bold enough, to come out open to declare such anger, that should tell you he is not totally afraid of whatever that come out of it. All business, he may not have the boldness to come and make it public, given the fact that he's actually under the watch of so many people. You get what I'm saying? That is my own take. You forget. All of us still love each other, whether women allow or whether Christian. Like other people say,
of course.
Anybody got trouble that last each like you got to surprise how we take the up, because here in the American ideology, we are all still in the Igbo. We are all one. Forget.
Over to you. So over to you.
Okay, my man.
Two of you are suspect because Ijo will look me for face, pour me spit. But I will still catch him though. Anyway, I know go me kusha. Go back to your roots. So all depends on amazing cool. So all of them may on this street, most of the anyway, let me not say all those things because I'm not the type to make sure people something in public. I don't do that level, but I know from my Facebook. I know that
because of it.
So that's
a good heart. That's why I still identify with you, even though we have differences in ideology. I don't believe that now. Believe will hate each other. No, we can have different ideologies but still love each other. That's the way I see life.
It's normal for us not to have one ideology or one opinion. Oh yeah, people may exist. All of us cannot agree on one thing. That's why sometimes people will be commenting. Some people will say block them. No, it's not more that everybody on this page must agree with whatever I said. I will say my own opinion. You say your own opinion. So that's life. But it's quite unfortunate that sometimes some people misunderstand how those things work, but it's fine. Everybody will not understand. But it's good to have you, though.
Thank you, bro. I'm on time. I'm online. I was looking for you by 9:30, bro. I didn't see you at 9 o'clock. So
I have to start them live by 9:30. So it's fine.
Mathias will still come back now.
Of course, now maybe by tomorrow, Apotana, Nashtebia, Omahomas, only an Thomas, I have Tana, Meko. So, yeah, one Anna Pyro Mayugu. I got Kakuya 2x2 one day.
I'm going to eat another time.
So let me stop here. Now they want to crazy bonyo mena na Mathias Ezeaku. Onye mkpụrụ mmiri. So who else? Is there anyone that also want to join me? Ijo and my brother. Don't worry, I go catch you and Ijo. Maximus Patrick. I go catch you and Ijo. Arisha Travis. I don't know whether I don't mother your name. Alpha now is the happy Sunday. See you. Say you and your brother. If you always look me for face, pour me speed. Then I WhatsApp not church, not church, not the funny. Anyways, it's where I will still catch you. Yajirim group page. It's where Yajirim group page. but ya mara amara n'ọkwa anyị nọ na engine room ihe aka ka m eme like this page ahụ efu but not my man call also. So let me stop here. I want to go to somewhere, you know, so nice to see you guys here. Yeah, Nnamdi Nwachukwu ezigbo onye omenala bụ ụzọ eziokwu. I see you, my brother. Joseph Uchi Gozie, one love. I see you, bro. Maximus Patrick, I also see you. Oluchukwu Omu Ebuchulam, I see you. Canada and Kachif, Tobechuku, Pat, Trend, all of you. I see you. TikTok people, some of you will be surprised. This one why I did live today. Let me try to see you guys if I mention few names here. Just that TikTok is not my thing. TikTok is not my thing. Nini, Mark, Lefin, Chris, Stan. I see you, Ramsey. A lot of you, Raf, Augustine, Rose, Coco Channel, Papa, Daniel, Fiona, Pascal, Martins, JC, Cindy, Cynthia. Okay, now Cynthia Bedisina. Cynthia, how you doing? It's been a long time. I see you all. So I'll be stopping here. Facebook people, if Mathias had the same heart with Nnamdi Nwachukwu, there will be no problem. People differ now. So catch you guys some other time. Catch Chineke nọnyere unu nna na nwa na mmụọ nsọ. You know, say name go Amen.